Next up for Videoguys Top New Product of 2025 award goes to the Kiloview N60. And part of the reason that we are giving that to the Kiloview N60 is because they are continually updating the software and firmware on their devices, including being one of the first devices to fully support NDI 6. Now, if you don't know what a Kiloview N60 is, this is a Kiloview N60. This is an encoder and decoder with HDMI inputs and outputs on it, so you can encode or decode 4K 60 workflows. Now, typically this is going to be used in an NDI environment, but you can also encode and decode RTMP feeds, SRT feeds, and a whole bunch of other things. Now, what does NDI 6 have to do with this? NDI 6 allows you to use HDR workflows, so you can send more closer to broadcast quality video over your network and embed or encode or decode. It also adds 10-bit color, so you can have a little bit more color to your deck. And we're talking about transmitting video over the network. NDI 6 also has NDI Bridge built into it, so you can have this act as a bridge device to contact another studio that is on a different network. So Kiloview N60 with NDI 6 support is a Videoguys Top New Product of 2025.